This is basically a very historic place where they actually had speakeasies here from basically the Prohibition time. So we're gonna be checking it out. It's closed right now, but it will be open later as a restaurant, and it's also a tour included, so can't wait to see it.
I also booked a hotel room. It's themed. It's right next to Bube's Brewery. It's a really old building, just like the one next to it. I'm really excited. Can't wait to show you guys.
All right, so we're here at the hotel, the Bube's Brewery, and pretty interesting place. We have communal bathrooms. Different rooms that you can rent. Originally we rented this one. This is the Arabian Nights one, but we went with a different one. No problem. So all these different places. This one is the jungle room. The bed has like a little fountain here too. Not sure which that one is, but here's the one we're staying in. Really cool. What's the name of this one?
The Princess Room.
The Princess Room. Has pretty cool lighting.
And a lot of angles.
Mm-hmm. Hello. Very nice.
No disrespect to you.
No, you're good. You're good.
Your name? Welcome to Movies. Have you guys ever been here before?
No, first time.
Well, welcome. So upstairs we have our cooper shed. That is where the cooper made all of the barrels for Alois Bube. If you guys would like to go check that out after you eat, you guys are certainly welcome to. This piece here was put in 1982 by our current owner. It was supposed to be used as a dumbwaiter system, but we used it for one day and it completely failed.
Oh.
So if you guys want to take a look down there, that is a 37-foot drop down to the Catacombs where you guys will be dining.
Ooh.
Do you guys have any questions?
No.
All right, you can follow me. So a little history about the place is that Philip Frank actually founded the brewery in the 1860s, and he sold it to Alois Bube in the 1876. And Alois built the hotel in 1879, and he also created the restaurant. And this room obviously was made for the beers. So we would fill up each of these barrels about 2/3 of the way full. That was about 5,000 gallons. So this room in all would hold about 30,000 gallons of beer.
Wow.
The 6th barrel was actually here. That one is up in the lobby now. You can see because of the little rings that are on the floor. Yeah, and so we made 2 types of beers, ales and lagers. So for the ales, we would close the tops of the barrels and that would carbonate it like a champagne. For the lagers, we would keep the tops open and that would make it smooth like a, kind of like, I mean, you guys have all had lagers before? Yeah. So to get them down to the Catacombs, we would use hoses and we would connect them to the little nozzles that are on that barrel there. There's a nozzle on each barrel. We would feed the hoses through the ground, through that little hole. There's a plate there. There's also one under you and behind me as well. And if you guys didn't notice the little holes, we actually operated before Child Labor Acts. So that was a cleaning hole to get into. And we would hire small children to go in the holes and clean the barrels. So these were the original cleaning tools that they used. And it was the highest paying job, so honestly, I would do it. Yeah. Do you guys have any questions? Alright. This is a picture of Alois when he was in his early 20s. And this is a picture of Alois when he was about 57 years old, and he actually passed away at the age of 57 up in the Peacock Room in the hotel.
Oh.
So up in the hotel, you can actually still rent out rooms today. There's 9 of them. The usual rooms are 100 a night, and the penthouse is 200 a night. But for the regular rooms, you do have to share a bathroom. Yeah. So the hotel is located up these stairs. There's also another entrance outside. Unfortunately, I can't take you up there, but if you happen to stay there, you can roam around all you want. Another fact is Milton Hershey actually sent one of his messengers here in, I think it was 1950, and he tried to buy the brewery from us, but we refused because chocolate and beer would not taste very good together. And then if you guys notice the floor, Alois actually couldn't afford carpet, so he painted it on. Yeah. And then I will take you guys this way. This room was used as a storage room for the hotel. So these kegs and that wine rack down there is actually original. So Alois's wife would come down here to retrieve bottles of wine and kegs for the guests at the hotel. And she would carry them up 3 flights of stairs for the guests. So she was super strong
woman.
Yeah.
Very good shape.
Yeah. All right, I'll take you guys down. Just watch your step. Lowest part of the Catacombs. We are currently 42 feet underground. Wow. If you guys look behind you, that is our candle wall. If you can see all the candles on the walls. That is the only fully stone original wall that we have down here in the Catacombs. We put candles all over that for our feasts and for when there's extra dining down here. It's really pretty if you get a chance to see it. If you guys remember up in the barrel room how I said there were hoses that came through the floor? So the entrance for that is actually up in the ceiling up top there.
Oh, I see.
It's a little hard to see, but yeah. So the hoses would come down and there would be beer flowing all through this room. It would stay down here for about 6 months and then we would bottle it up and send it out. Also, if you guys see that little metal plate there, that goes into a tunnel that's another about 10 or 15 feet into the ground. That leads over to Philip Frank's house, which was the original owner, across the street. And we're digging that up currently, so hopefully we can get customers down there someday.
Wow.
Yeah. There's also said to be tunnels all over Mount Joy, so that would be awesome if we can somehow get them all dug up.
Really cool.
Yeah.
I'm assuming he did that on purpose so that he could just go back and forth between.
Yeah.
I know
It was too cold out. He could just go.
Wow.
I know he also like hid during Prohibition, right?
We don't have any evidence that it was used for Prohibition, but it's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah.
We don't usually like tell the customers that because we don't have any evidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds
All
fun.
right. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, so they have a limited menu here, so we went with the French onion soup, and I got filet mignon, so we'll get to that once it gets here. But the vibe is really nice here. It's nice and quiet. You have nice music in the background.
27 beer is very strong.
How's the soup?
It's really good.
Gotta try it. Let's try it.
I work that morning. And then you're like, okay, I want to get married now. Yeah.
I worked that morning.
It's good.
Came
It's
home,
good.
went over, so this is for your.
So that's a shrimp Alfredo. How is it?
Thank you. It's really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got the filet mignon, like I said before. Let's try it. Let's see. Well, to start off, it's very soft. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I love nursing, and I love like the nursing part of it. I mean, maybe I'll go thank you. Maybe I'll go and
It's good.
like a nurse's aide to somebody or a complete.
Yes, it's good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Something like that, you know.
All right, so we're finally back in the room. So we had a great time at dinner. Really cool experience to be eating at a former brewery. Also, technical speakeasy. And just having that amazing restaurant here in the same hotel, in the same location, is actually pretty awesome. They do other things here. They do karaoke here. They also do kind of like a murder mystery, not a haunted house, a murder mystery. They do like a Santa mystery type thing. So they do a lot of cool events here. It's not crowded here. It's, for a couple of people, a couple of couples, and it's pretty much a pretty cool place to come to. I wasn't expecting this when I came here. I got to be honest. I thought it was a little scary to come into this hotel, but once I got the hang of it and we started walking around, started meeting the people that work here, it's actually a pretty cool experience. So I do recommend it. I would say dinner was a little pricey though. I think for the filet mignon and the shrimp scampi or shrimp alfredo that my wife ate, and the French onion soup, it was like a total of like $113. Was it the best filet mignon I ever had? No, absolutely not. But it wasn't bad either. It was decent. It was good. It was decent sized, and the portions were okay. But I have had better for less. Let me just put it like that. So, but the experience is cool to be in the cave. So, other than that, try it out. I think you guys will like it, and it's something to do here in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. Now, I don't know about you guys and what you're going to do next, but I'm in my bedroom. My wife is waiting for me. So guess what? I gotta go. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. All right? Take care.